Welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into something exciting, how you can use ChatGPT to clone popular websites like Google, Amazon and Facebook. That's right, with the power of AI, we can create stunning replicas of these iconic websites. So if you are ready to learn some cool web designing and development tricks, stick around. So first of all, let's begin with Google. The homepage of Google is known for its simplicity. Just a logo, a search bar, and a few buttons. Now open ChatGPT and write prompt, clone google.com homepage using HTML and CSS. Now ChatGPT will write the HTML and CSS code for google.com homepage. So you can see the ChatGPT is writing the code, the HTML codes, and later on the CSS code is writing. Now on the new tab we'll open CodePen and open the first link of CodePen. I click on the button start coding. Here we will paste the HTML and CSS code to see how ChatGPT created the clone of the website. So we just copied the HTML code and paste it here. Now we copied the CSS code and paste it here. Now you can see the design is same to same as the Google homepage, the Google logo and the search bar and the buttons. So this is how easily you can clone google.com using ChatGPT. So write the prompt. Now clone Facebook login page design using HTML and CSS code. Now ChatGPT will write the HTML and CSS code for facebook.com login page. Same like before, just copy the HTML code again and go to the CodePen and paste it here on the HTML section, and copy the CSS code and go back to the CodePen and paste it here. Now you can see the design is same to same as Facebook login page. On the left the Facebook logo and text, on the right the login form. So this is same to same as Facebook login page. So this is how you can clone Facebook also. So now let's try the last one, the Amazon one, which is more complex than the two befores. Clone Amazon website using HTML and CSS. Now same before, the ChatGPT will write the HTML and CSS code. This time ChatGPT may not be more accurate like the Facebook, like the Google, because those designs are simple. In this case Amazon website is more complex than the two before. So let's copy the HTML code and see how ChatGPT did. Now go back to the code again and copy the CSS code, paste it here. So you can see ChatGPT made the structure of this Amazon website, but ChatGPT could not copy the whole website design accurately. But ChatGPT tried to create a structure of Amazon. This is how you can clone any popular websites HTML and CSS code, and you can use this code to further customize and use it as per your need. Now if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to convert image into website, just check the left video. I will meet you there. Please consider like and subscribe our channel to get more informational videos for free.